Ebushan for my mama akwaba eba Ghanaians TV so let's like, comment, subscribe, turn it on notification also so that anytime you post a video bit say we are Usambe Kebi. Ghana for more UK omu ya de bia many aje humpa. And they are responding to the call from the motherland.
Threat from these hooligans.
Yes.
Defending all of those things to us in my DM. I've received a lot of them and I'm still receiving them.
Yes.
We're going to file all these things together and use it to support the petition that will be going out.
And I think, sir, idea Ghana for more UK, the other countries should follow suit. Ghana for more Australia, one multi Belgium, one multi France, one multi Portugal, Spain, US, Canada, Caribbeans, wherever you are, no. This initiative, no, as I'm sorry, na mun take it. Anything. Ghana for more UK, they are raising signatures. Signatures for a petition. Petition and say Ghana for nanka omuye juma or public sector. Mahama baye no His Excellency Mahama baye. Awe pamo omuye ya through a directive from the office of the Chief of Staff. Now even with that directive, we know say they went beyond that immediate directive to even sack people who have been working for 10 years ni. Ebi mukra 5 years. They are gathering the petitions from those people. Again, a buying sector, no. Once this government took over, no, government will unilaterally salary no so. Yeah, some people because I heard some time ago say manager position, I think it will be EPE or one of the agencies. A bimman crofobia now 9,000 pono. Ya tiswa babe 2,000, 3,000 hono. All an attempt to force them out. Saying pamodie and you this kind of so. It is kind of so. Maybe you become uncomfortable. You say you don't want it, and then you will leave. At the nano Ghana for more UK resist signature say petition UK for a buying. And him say Ghana is part of the Commonwealth. And as a member of the Commonwealth, now Ghana enjoyed some privileges and benefits from the UK. And a very good thing. I say, yes, starting mounting external pressure on this government. Because never be brewer buying way, it is breeding lawlessness. And ne obit me sorry, no yaba omia star baby. Ghana police will not talk. But the moment also camera now criticize it, NDC are buying weapon, Ghana police is at your doorstep. Now, mama, bill conditions are would you want to see? A be more 1 million Ghana cedis, a more 50,000 Ghana cedis. Go for our money passport, cry see, by all means for passport to bra. For be submit your passport. Nipa no ni passport no, but still must be submitting a passport. And see, please, other chapters, US 4. One petition Donald Trump. Ebushan for baby bia or Ghana habia. Se ope photographers omunim juma. Ebano editing, omutra pictures, omu cameras, akesie, lenses akesie, omu drones, ni bia ope biano. A touch of the way photography for. Omunaba air screen so esa o contact omu say yeah, a wedding, funeral, birthday party. And I say, assassin being put now one out person who hear drone video, in drone pictures of assassina. But more than say, I contact the touch of the photography. Baby, upe, so muye jumanuma, Ghana have a piano. Omuye claro no me yamau. And omuye very, very, very affordable. So, upe so a birthday photo shoot. What more manoni, but so surprise you be with a birthday photo shooter. Very important. But more than say, only touch of the way photography for wedding como and the catch from say Ghanaians TVGH4 and I recommend it. Once when I can say Ghanaians TVGH4 and I recommend you mupe when you have the special discount. Canada for mon petition mon prime minister. France for mon frère Macron, Emmanuel Macron, and all over. let's mount pressure on this NDC government. Let them know say Ghana is part of a wider international community, and so they cannot treat citizens like lesser human beings, and I say created by lesser gods be. That must not be allowed, and it shouldn't be allowed in any shape nor form at all. Never. That is why we ask for our independence. And yes, sir. So to vote for a government, democratic government elected, not be yes, Anyamana, it cannot be condoned. Let's go and listen to Rita.
Threat from these hooligans.
Yes.
Sending all of those things to us in my DM. I've received a lot of them, and I'm still receiving them.
Yes.
We're going to file all these things together and use it to support the petition that will be going out.
Thank you very much.
Nobody is here to disrespect John Dramani Mahama, but he cannot torment and force respect out of our mouth. Do your work well. The Ghanaian people have always praised anybody, even if they let go and they did not realize the good things you have done and they insult you. Ghanaians do not, have a problem to come back and say we are sorry. Today they are saying it to Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. So if John Mahama cannot focus on delivering his promises, but feel that the power we gave him to, be the leader of our Ghana armed forces and police, he's going to use that power to torment us. We will go every length to make sure that we also make the work very difficult even for him. So keep your screenshots coming.
Yes, please. Keep them coming.
I've had it, but we want more.
We want more. We are collecting signatures.
Most of you now, your salaries, they have reduced it, and your payrolls have come. We are going to make sure that we clean your images that will let them trace you for anything. But attach your payroll to it. Send us the differences. We are going to attach everything, and we are going to fight him boot for boot.
We are petitioning. We want to
thank you for your time.
Okay, thank you.
I think I would like to use maybe 3 minutes to pass a comment. First of all, I would say you've done well. You are doing well. I've been watching and following almost all your programs, and you are doing a lot for the mother Ghana. I think it's time we advise our colleagues in the NDC and especially the officials of NDC that Ghana, Mahama didn't come to power through coup d'etat. He came to power through the ballot box.
Exactly.
And every Ghanaian has the right to speak his or her mind, and that he can never control us. He can never cease free speech. Free speech has come to stay. Our constitution has lasted for about, this is our 4th, president. And then it looks as if Mahama is, if you check the average, it's like every month he has to arrest one person. And it's all because he is not doing anything. The governance has overloaded him, and he doesn't know what to do, and he's just trying to use this arrest as a cover-up. But we are smart enough to tell him that indeed, that Bank of Ghana has run at a higher loss. Everybody is aware of it. There are a lot of corruption-related activities going on each and every day. How can you be selling good and run at a loss? It doesn't happen anywhere in the world.
Economies that you don't even have gold are making billions out of gold.
Why he wants to use arrest to carry away. He cannot shut our mouth in any way. People are ready to voice voice out their challenges, and you should allow them to do so. He can never gag anybody. Why do you have to go and arrest this young lady, innocent lady, for what? Are you saying that now, are you saying our constitution demand that spiritual matters must be handled by police? It's a disgrace. It's a disgrace. It's a disgrace, and it's a sign of defeat. Everything shows the signs are clear on the wall. NDC is losing. Election is a process, it's not an event. And they have realized they are losing. Their grassroots cannot, the center cannot be hold anymore. They know that they are losing the election and they want to use intimidation tactics. You can never intimidate, you can never gag anybody. We will speak our mind today, tomorrow, and the next day. We are not going to insult, but if they insult Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, if they insult Samira Baumia, we are going to reply.
Yay!
We have a lot of venom that we can pour out. We also bring his wife alongside and also insult here, basa left and right. We were trained not to insult, but we were trained to defend ourselves. And we are going to defend Dr. Don't mind them. Those are the fools out there. We are going to defend Dr. Mahmoud and Hajia Samira. We are going to defend them with our lives. So they should make sure that we have given them the mandate to govern the country. Now they are running into their second term. What have they achieved? That is the question they should answer. Virtually, they've achieved nothing.
Yeah.
The only thing they have to do is when you speak, we come and arrest you. We will trace our GP address. We will do so. That doesn't solve the unemployment. That doesn't solve the fact that nurses are at home. You cannot post them. That view one's kind of employment. That doesn't solve it.
Yeah.
This is not a solution to the doom. So this is not a solution to the fact that you've only brought one person for 3 or 4 chicken. What are they going to do with it? A country like Ghana, we are in 21st century, for God's sake. John Dramani Mahama, leave a legacy. Leave a legacy. It's as simple as that. And if they care to know, Okatechi Afrifa has also landed and he's going to start his program for the records. The fire is going to burn them. He's going to expose them. Every bit and crony of whatever happens.
Now, Oman Penny Ben Kunana, Kevin Taylor, Timi Okatechi Keke. Okatechi handle Kevin Taylor, ma, Afedia Adriana Obo.
Now, this man can just go through a whole government.
Kevin Taylor, you to me controlling Oman Penny, you were your robotic idiot. Like, I don't understand.
Now the president is shaking. This man.
Be the man, Kevin Taylor, Grandma, and Sama National, Obaya, or my patron or Alvin or Obodia, a whole Oman Penini, Kevin Taylor.
And this is the person who is trying to control the whole presidency.
The essence, I was say the whole NDC or no navy.
I mean, I met Shenny Papa be a flag bearer. I mean, I met Shenny Papa with the president. And Okasa NDC for a shaking. I don't know what is wrong with them. A whole party like NDC, besides everything, NDC is an institution. It's a body that has come to stay. This single person cannot control the whole party, let alone coming to control a country like Ghana. Okasa and NDC for no. And sometimes it baffles me, NDC supporter. I don't know whether they don't know how to search simple information or what. I don't understand them.
Mahama yeni who lose makosia we di the secret di tormenting the kekan kosia sema won't be so shenia wakeka PNDC
Mahama
is the one to decide for you. 1,000 bullets, you wrap up so that the voice can come in.
What I'm saying is the fact that NDC won't even kagi ubia. So we are Ghana when we MPP a Juma film Ghana to say me bush a crabby assay MPP na year Juma be Papa be or Ghana is handled by MPP. And the NDC for this time say Mahama should leave a legacy because the time they are soon. Someone would be taking the affairs of this country and they're not the Yako Yenim. Digital economy and only a penyan coco kitty. And so far I bought Robertuno a friend say Coco as an send word to and I have no over to. It's a disgrace, it's a shame. And one year you want no yanti. But that's all about me, Jamie TV.
Thank you. The voice.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. How are you doing?
Fine, by God's grace yourself.
Oh.
Thanks for picking me. I was switching between network and person who say a bit stable, so I was switching between telecell.
Hey, almost a network no grandpa data, no grandpa no article. And also I don't do so.
I swear we're lying. They say that we are, even with network run, we have to pray and beg God, say God should grant some the wisdom to be able to get this network for us to work. And to be I don't know. Let me greet a fellow patriots more live so and also contribute a little bit. Now, as for the freedom of speech, now they say the Obia who say in just 1 year, 5 months, John Mahama break a record of most arrests 8 years.
Barry, please mute yourself so that when it's your turn, you can.
In 8 years of Akufo-Addo, no, the arrest, and even some of the arrests at Akufo-Addo, Obiko Dr. Dampare, na police, Ekochina, someone threatened Dr. Dampare or your IGP, and the police goes to arrest the person. You can't bring it, say, Akufo-Addo record, Debbie. Right?
And Akufo-Addo na ya threaten.
Yeah.
You know, those girls that threaten Akufo-Addo so much in the rituals.
Yeah. Yes, on authority, and say what I can say, under Akufo-Addo, 8 years of Akufo-Addo, no single person was ever arrested for insulting Akufo-Addo. Not even one. Not even one. Me there NDC he said, go and bring one case. Obi insulted Akufo-Addo and was arrested. Not one. Because Akufo-Addo Attorney General when the libel law was repealed. And he would not come and even but Mahama there, His Excellency Mahama, we all see what is happening. Rita, what is happening today? And they say, as you and I are speaking 1 hour ago, join news, Eddie Ba said, the cedi is the worst performing currency in sub-Saharan Africa in